I'm here pretty frustrated about previous dental work that was done within the last 2 years. I decided to change out all the amalgams, and much to my disappointment, that's when the pain increased in my TMJ joint, and the bite seemed much worse after having the amalgams removed and replaced. Constant soreness, constant awareness that there was something wrong with the right side of my jaw. The final straw was when my 6-year-old granddaughter told me one day, "Grammy, you are looking old. Are you gonna die soon?" And I just said, oh my gosh, she even notices. I'm in Dr. Sam Muslin's office, and I've just completed his procedure. I am delighted. I can't tell you how happy I am. Yesterday I woke up, I slept like I have never slept before. Today I woke up and I couldn't get enough air. It was like for the first time in many months I could breathe. And I could breathe down to my toes, and it was like I was getting oxygen intoxicated. I felt so great. I'm so grateful. I cannot even believe that someone came up with this technique without braces. He has more common sense in his fingernail than most dentists have in their entire body. Not only that, he's willing to think outside the box and do what works. What a concept. Do what works. Because that was not done with me. I felt not only did my bite get worse, the TMJ got worse, but I aged probably 10 years during the last 2 years. I'm very happy with the shape of my face and the teeth, and I was consulted every step of the way about color, shape, length, everything, and was listened to and heard, and the staff is wonderful, because when Dr. Muslin isn't in the room, we're joking around laughing, and I've never been in the dentist's office where I laugh so much. I encourage anyone who wants to look into this to do it. Just do it.